Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is a simple eyeshadow makeup tutorial, a simple halo eyeshadow makeup tutorial. Very fast, very simple, 5 minutes tops. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and keep on. So we have a very clean base right now, so I'm going to take my Blossom eyeshadow palette, and as usual I'm taking the black shade there and I'm going to pack that onto my crease area. But before then, I'm going to add some concealer to make sure my base are very even, and I'm blending that with my beauty blender to make it very even. Taking the black shade from my Blossom makeup eyeshadow palette, I'm packing that at the corner of my eyes to deepen that crease corner. As you can see in the video right now, I'm taking the black eyeshadow and I'm just putting it in a U shape around my eyes, so it's going to deepen around that corner of my eyes to give it the perfect shadow I want. Now I'm going in with this blue shade from my House of Tara palette, and I'm going to use that to blend out the black shadow I put in the crease earlier on. Now that all that is blended out, I'm taking my Blossom palette again and I'm taking this deep green shade, and I'm also going to use the green to blend out the blue, so it gives it a seamless finish, a really flawless finish. Guys, I already cut my crease with the NYX Jumbo pencil in milk, which I usually do. So if you don't know how I do that, I'll make sure to do a video on how I cut my crease. But if you already watch my videos, you already know how I do it. But if not, I'm going to link a video which is going to pop up on your screen right now on how I cut my crease, or a video related to how I cut my crease. But in the meantime, I'm taking that carliby palette, the white shade from the carliby palette, and I'm just putting that in the middle of my eyes to make it pop. Taking the green shade I used earlier on in my crease, I'm just going to use that to blend the white shade and the black shade together, so it all comes in very smoothly and very clean, like so. Guys, you already know the drill. I'm going in with my TM Essentials moisturizer, and I'm going to use that to moisturize my face. I absolutely love this moisturizer because 1, it moisturizes my face, and 2, it is very affordable. I'm going in also with my Nuban Beauty Foundation, which I am loving right now, and I'm going to pack that all over my face and blend with a beauty blender. Guys, ignore me, I'm currently loving Fire on Fire by Sam Smith, and yeah, I was in the mood. I'm still blending my face, and I am doing that very lightly. As you can see, this foundation is it is flawless. It's my absolute favorite right now. And from the same brand, Nuban Beauty, I'm going in with their concealer in 043, and I'm using that to conceal under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and so on and so forth. Guys, can you see how neatly and clean this concealer just blended into my skin? that is one of the reasons why I love this Nuban Beauty concealer, because it really blends into my skin. Going in with the blue shade I used earlier on to blend the black from my House of Tara eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pack that under my lower lash line and I'm going to blend it out. Thank you so much for staying tuned till the end, guys. For those of you who stayed tuned to the end, thank you. I love you. I appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a very big thumbs up, share with your friends, and let me know down in the comment section what you all think about my look. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.